I'm Junjun. Welcome to my kitchen. Today is another Christmas cookie day. I'm so excited to make this one. Christmas Eve pretzel cookies. The shape of the cookie is so cute and it is delicious. Let's start making. We're gonna need a cup of room temperature butter. Cream the butter first until it's light and fluffy. About 30 seconds. Now we can add 2 cups of the granulated sugar. Cream the butter and sugar together. Now I'm gonna add 4 room temperature eggs. Add eggs one at a time. In the dry ingredients, we need 4 cups all-purpose flour, add a teaspoon salt, half teaspoon ground cloves, half teaspoon ground nutmeg, half teaspoon ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons baking powder. Whisk them together. Slowly add these dry ingredients to the creamed mixture, like a cup at a time. Then chill this pretzel cookie dough in the fridge for about an hour. After it's chilled, I'm going to divide the cookie dough into a little cookie bowl. Each bowl should weigh about 60 grams. Now I'm going to make this little cookie ball into a pretzel shape. Put a little bit of flour on the working surface. Flatten the cookie ball into rope, about 15 inches long. Lift it, make it U shape, give it a twist. Twist it one more time, fold it over. Then we'll get this pretzel shaped cookie. Put it on the baking sheet. And I put a parchment paper on the baking sheet. If you don't have it, just use a cooking spray. Bake this at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Here are the pretzel cookies. You can eat it just like this or put some powdered sugar on the top, but I'm gonna show you how I am going to decorate my pretzel cookies. We need some chocolate chips. I'm going to put this in the microwave and melt it. And we need some candy cans. I'm gonna crush them. Put the candy cans in the Ziploc bag. Use a roller, crush them. Melted chocolate is right here. And crush a candy can. We're gonna put the pretzel cookie, just a half side. Dip into the melted chocolate, like that. Then put some crushed candy can on the top of the chocolate. Look at these cute, beautiful pretzel cookies. Let me break into it. It's kind of soft in the middle, not like a crunchy sugar cookie. I wish you guys can have a bite of these pretzel cookies too. It is so good. And they're so pretty. The chocolate, the candy can, the soft pretzel cookies. I think Santa will definitely like this Christmas Eve pretzel cookies. Make some for him. Okay, thank you for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!